Hello guys, welcome again in this video lecture. This is lecture number 11. In this video lecture we are going to talking about control statement, which is very important topic in Python programming. So now I am going to tell you what is control statement. Here you can see a control statement is a statement that determines whether other statements will be executed. So there are two types of control statement I have already added here. One is conditional control statement and another is loop control statement. So in this video I am going to discuss conditional control statement. There are three parts are here. One is if, another is else if, and the last one is else. We can control our statement by using these three control statement. One is if, another is else if, and last one is else. So in loop control statement, here you can see we just shown two loop control statement. One is for and another is while. This is two loop control statement. So now in programming language, basically we have to use conditional statement when we need to take some decision. In programming, to take decision we use if, else if and else for this. So let's check an example. Suppose a student attend in an exam, he will get 15 marks. So now you have to decide is this student pass or fail. Here when pass mark is 33. So if we design it in our programming structure like this, if mark is greater than equal 13, then the student is pass. Otherwise, if mark is less than 33, then it will print fail. So now I am going to discuss about if statement syntax. Here I just show you how can you write or type if statement syntax in a Python program. So here you can see if condition, then colon, in the second line it will statement. Every if contain a conditions. So here in example you can see this is a variable 15 which will assign in marks. Here this is a if statement. Here mark greater than equal 33 which is considered as condition, and in print function here you can write different types of statement. Here I just type print function for the print pass or fail. So this is the statement of if syntax. So now I am going to tell how you can write if else statement syntax in our Python programming code. So you can see it also like the previous one. Here I just add else, then colon, then in the last statement only if can contain a condition, but in else we have no need to declare condition, because it is if condition is true then it will print a statement. When if condition doesn't true then it will automatically print the else statement. Here you can see in our example, if mark is greater than equal 13, if this is true, then it will print pass. If mark is not greater than equal 33, then it will print automatically fail.